guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC, and there's been some interesting quakes today. There was a 4.5 Russia-Mongolia border region, and we're going to go look at this area on Google Earth. And I haven't looked at any of these areas yet, so you can go along for the ride here. This is an interesting area here. We can see that there's an unnamed volcanic field here, and Nubsa Sagal region is here. And this one is a volcanic field, and this is a volcanic cone over here, and this is Kosogoi Lake here. And moving on to our next one. There was a 5.9 southeast of Loyalty Islands. And I'm wondering if this is the same area as our last big quake that occurred over in this area. And it sure appears to be so. The last one appeared to be, I guess, more over in this area, but this one here is here, so there was a 5.6 here. And it's 10 kilometers deep. This one is near Hunter Island volcano, which is a stratovolcano. And it's the southeastmost volcano of the New Hybrids arc. It is a small 1 kilometer wide island consisting of composite andesitic to dasitic cones topped by explosion craters and lava dome. And if you want to read more, you can go on Google Earth. And looking at our last one that I wanted to look at is the 5.6 in Greece that occurred 3 hours and 33 minutes ago. Oops. This is near Dominican and Evangelismos area here. And this is Antachicia. It's a forested mountain range in northern Trikala. Then if we back out, you can see this is the Greece area, so this is the area where this earthquake occurred. Anyways, you guys, just a real quick update. Hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.